Tired of poor air quality affecting your health and comfort? Meet the Dyson Air Purifier Tp10 Cool Gen 1, the latest innovation in air purification and cooling. Why choose the Dyson Tp10 Cool Gen 1? Did you know indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air? The Dyson Tp10 ensures cleaner, fresher air while keeping your room cool and comfortable. Features that make it stand out. Advanced filtration system. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it captures 99.95% of allergens, pollutants, and even microscopic particles as small as 0.1 microns. Cooling function. The Cool Gen 1 feature doubles as a fan, delivering purified, refreshing airflow. 360 degrees air circulation ensures even distribution of purified air across the entire room. Whisper quiet operation, perfect for bedrooms and living spaces with minimal noise disturbance. Sleek and modern design, its stylish white finish complements any room decor. From smoky kitchens to dusty bedrooms, this purifier eliminates odors, dust and allergens effortlessly. The cooling function adds extra comfort, especially during warmer days. Why it's worth it? With its dual functionality, powerful purification, and Dyson's trusted technology, the Tp10 Cool Gen 1 is an excellent investment for healthier living. Whether you're dealing with allergies or simply want cleaner air, it's the ultimate solution. The Dyson Tp10 Cool Gen 1 combines innovation, design, and performance, making it a must-have for modern homes. What's your favorite feature of the Dyson Tp10? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more appliance reviews and tips. Stay cool and breathe easy with Dyson.